Hello everyone, I am Twinkle Sharma, your online instructor. Today we will start our new topic OSI model in with the session layer of series 0 to hero. Okay, the session layer is the fifth layer in the OSI model. It plays a crucial role in managing and controlling the dialogue between two computers, establishing, maintaining, and terminating communication sessions. Or we can say the first, this establishment, or we can say initiator of a session, then the monitoring or maintaining of our session, then we have the termination of our session. So the task performed are first is session initiation or started or establishment, then maintenance, then termination, synchronization, then we have the dialogue control, then we have the session recovery, and after that we have the 3A process: authentication, authorization, and accounting. Okay, so the session establishment, maintenance, and termination, what it means, right? Establishment means the initiation connections between applications on different devices, ensuring that communication sessions are properly started. Okay, then we have the maintenance, keeps the sessions alive and manages the data exchange, ensuring that the connection remains open and functional. Then we have the termination, properly closes the session once communication is complete, right? Freeing up the resources. Then we have the session layer, how it is work. First, the request from a client sent to the server. The session started. Here, the authentication will done. Then the response to the client authorization will done on the client side. Okay, authentication on the server side and authorization on the client side. Okay. So, what do you mean by synchronization? Synchronizations manages the synchronization points or checkpoints within a stream of data. If a session is interrupted, these checkpoints allow the sessions to be resumed from the last checkpoint rather than starting over. This ensures data integrity or continuity, particularly important for long communications or large data transfers. Okay, then we have the dialogue control. Okay, controls whether the communication is in half duplex or full duplex mode. So what is the half duplex mode? Half duplex mode either send or receive the data but not at the same time, and on the full duplex mode at the same time one can send the data and receive the data, such as the router, switch, and firewall. And in the half duplex we have the example is hub, right? Then allows the data transmission at one direction. Okay, as I have already discussed. Then we have the session layer. Okay, so here we have the sender and here we have the receiver. From presentation layer to the presentation layer, the data session layer, synchronization done here, session layer, the data received. Then we have the transport layer, to from transport layer, and here we have the internet. Okay, then we have the modes of transfer or dialog control in session layer: simplex mode, the half duplex mode, and the full duplex mode. In the simplex mode, device is either send or receive the data. Okay, here only sender can send the data but can't receive the data. Okay, and in the half duplex, at the same time both can't send or receive the data. First the sender send the data, then the receiver respond for it, right? not on the same time. And in the full duplex mode, we can send and receive the data at the same time. Okay. So then we have the topic authentication, authorization, and accounting, or we can say 3A process. Authentication verifies the identify of users and devices attempting to establish a session, or we can say start the session. Ensures that only authorized entities can initiate communication. Okay, start the communication, only the authorized person, we can say. Then we have the authorization. Authorization determines whether an authenticated user has permission to access the request resource or perform certain operations during the session. Then we have accounting. Tracks the usage of network resources by user and devices, often for auditing, billing, or resources allocation purposes. Okay, or we can say accounting manage the information maintenance of session. Here the authentication, the authorization, and here the accounting. Okay, done. Thanks for watching. Here we have completed the session layer.